Hello. So today I'm going to help you with the venture capital pitch, and most probably it will be like a video conference, so I will stick to that. If it's on person, it's a different story. I have only done like a few casual conversations in person, and I'm not an authority. I will just share my experience. So let's start the video. You'll probably need a pitch deck, which is like the problem, the solution, why now, why you, who are you, I mean, your experience of the founders, and the market, of course, and a few references. It would be great to have references and not just like talk about the statistics that do not exist. And you'll need to work on your presentation. I prefer to not like be strict with every bullet of the stuff I'm writing on the pitch deck. I have it like for visuals, and I try to have like a casual conversation with the person I'm talking at. And you need the most important thing is to have all the answers of the or most of the answers of the investors' questions, like why are you going to solve this problem? And why not just vibe code the same thing? Why not just I like vibe code your app and just get this over with? I mean, what's your moat? What's the thing that you're proud and that makes you stand out? Why I should invest in you? And why the people, the customers, the consumers, either it's B2B or B2C, why they're going to care about your product? Is this like a painkiller? Is this going to help them solve a problem, a need, or something like a nice to have? Or, okay, they don't really need the product, but it's a great thing to have, and all that stuff. So you need to have something that solves the problem. You need to be the authority, the person that is going to solve that problem. I mean, if you are like a real estate agent trying to solve something in biology, it's not very beneficial for you to say that in the venture capital pitch, because they're going to say, okay, you do real estate. Why work in biology? I mean, they're probably not going to invest. So you need to have the why. Why? I mean, you have experience in that field. Have you studied that field? Is your co-founder in biology? And if you have all these answers, why you? Why not I vibe code your app? What's the market? All this stuff. I mean, we have been asked, um, why use your AI agent and not vibe code the new one? Or why not use this product? Why do this? Why do that? And you need to have the answers. And for example, at Casper, the startup I'm working at, they asked us why customers don't just go to ChatGPT to search for a specific service and they go to Casper. Because we have the professionals and all their specializations, and they have created the profile so it's structured in a way that the customer can go write the intent. I want something very specific at that time. You get the professional, and you see the professionals. You pick the specific one that is a very close match to your needs, or a one-to-one match to your needs, and you just do the booking, and then you're done. If you go to ChatGPT or Claude, they will be like, I need something. Okay, here's the list I found. I'm not sure because I scraped the internet. I don't have the professionals, and hmm, maybe it's outdated, the info that I gave you. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Just take that and go search, make the phone calls, or search the website, and just try to book with them. So you need to have the answers of the questions, the most common ones at least, that the venture capitals are going to ask. And even if it's not like a venture capital, it might be a customer that wants to like, they will be like, okay, why spend money on your startup and not just go to Google or ChatGPT? You need to have the answers for that. So that's a very like quick introduction about having a venture capital pitch. And if you have any other questions, write them down in the comments. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.